Hey everyone, hi, it's Imran from Thatcham Security. We've just finished doing a Cobra insurance approved touch key immobiliser on this Mitsubishi L200 2020 plate. So it has the push button start. So what we've done is we've got these touch key immobilisers. Okay, so you can see the LED flashing just there. If I try to start the vehicle, won't start. So in order to start this vehicle, you'll need these touch key fobs. So what you do is just, you can see the light emitting there, just touch it there, light goes off, foot on the brake, and the car starts. When you turn it off, it will rearm itself in approximately around 30 seconds. Thanks for watching. Give us a contact us if you'd like to get some security in your car.